everybody. Welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today is a special day. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm going to show you a delicious recipe that'll help you use the leftover turkey that I know we all have. We're making turkey in Riesling. This is a variation of a German recipe from the Württemberg region, and this is my turkey version of it, utilizing turkey instead of chicken. Very simple ingredients. All of these ingredients are pretty much left over from the Thanksgiving prep yesterday. What we have here is a little dried oregano, carrot, celery, well, you see it. So let's go ahead and get the vegetable prep going, and join me in a bit. We got about a half stick of butter and a couple tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. And now we're just going to sweat out the onions for a few minutes. And join me then. Okay, exactly 2 minutes later, now we're going to add the mushrooms, and we'll stir those around for about another minute, and then we'll continue on with the rest of the ingredients. Mushrooms have a lot of water in them, and as they release it while we cook them, it's going to add such a nice level of flavor to this. So check it out. At this point, we're going to add the celery. Now, if you notice the celery, I've used the top parts with all the leaves. The leaves actually have the most powerful celery flavor of the entire plant. That's why I really like using them. And then we got the carrots. Alright, so now let me get this out of the way, and we'll add the spices. What we got here is about a tablespoon scant of salt and pepper. And now we've got this big leaf whole oregano. I didn't have any powder, so what we're going to do is just crush it like so. And that adds a nice base of flavor too. And of course, now we need the Riesling. In this case, we got Columbia Valley. And that's going to add the signature flavor to this. So we're going to add, half a bottle. Okay? Now, this is at medium-high. We are going to turn it down to medium. Then we're going to cover it. And we're going to simmer it like that for 30 minutes. Join me then. It has now been 30 minutes on number 4, and you can see how everything's cooking down real nicely. Smells really good. The vegetables are still a little firm, which is good. We don't want to serve mush. I hate mushy vegetables. So to this, we're going to add, we're going to call it half a cup of sour cream. Okay? If you don't have sour cream left over from the holidays in your fridge, surely you have whipping cream, liquid cream, or half and half. You can add that instead. So we're going to whisk this in to make a nice sauce, so join me in a bit. Alright, so that's mixed in nicely. Now let me give you a couple tips. Riesling can range from kind of dry all the way to very sweet. I lean towards the dry one, but if you happen to use a sweet Riesling, this is even better because the tartness of the sour cream will help counterbalance that and give you a beautiful flavor. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to add the leftover turkey, just like that. We're going to layer it nicely. And since the turkey's already cooked, all we have to do is heat it through. And, here's a nice slice of breast meat. And a leg. So we are, again, over medium-high heat. Medium heat. We're going to cover it, and we're going to let it cook, 10 minutes, or maybe a little more, just to heat the turkey through. Alrighty, and here we go. Look at this. Turkey and Riesling. Now we've deviated a little bit from the norm in that I'm serving it with basmati rice. Mrs. Rivet and I just absolutely love that rice. Typically it's served with wide egg noodles or dumplings or roasted potatoes, whatever you like. But that's not all. Let's go ahead and garnish it a little bit. We got some chopped parsley here, which is definitely not unique, but a much needed garnish and very typical of this dish. Looks fantastic, so let's go ahead and try it. Right, so we all know what turkey tastes like. Let's go ahead and try the sauce and the vegetables. The sauce smells absolutely fantastic. This kitchen is smelling very good. And so we got some celery, some onion, and the sauce. A nice crunch still to celery, which is perfect. I hate mushy vegetables, and this is not mushy. Very nice. Let's try the mushroom and carrot. Just perfectly cooked. That timeline is exact. Now, for the sauce, let's try that. The sharpness of the sour cream just beautifully balances out the wine, and that wine is perfect for this dish. Don't try to go with a buttery Chardonnay or something else. It's got to be a Riesling. There's a reason for that. It's absolutely delicious, and it goes very well with the mushrooms also. Excuse me. So here is a beautiful recipe where you can use all of the leftovers of your turkey for this holiday and put together a fantastic meal. Thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.